Shalom and welcome back to the site here at the UFIC Chitungwiza Basilica. For the past few days, we're taking you through the progress on the ground, and now we are elevated up in the heavens as we are standing here at the second level of the UFIC Basilica in Chitungwiza. Behind me, you can see the logo of what this ministry represents, the familyhood of United Family International Church. Now, today we'll be looking at a number of beautiful things as the finishing anointing continues to do its work on this particular project. Our mother and our father, Prophet Emmanuel and Prophetess Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa, are a wonder indeed. To imagine that they are single-handedly building this gigantic, massive church, building the house of the Lord. Can you imagine that for some time it was only a dream? We could only muse day and night, just imagining what it would be like when we gathered together, finally sharing that divine energy. The global mandates put a halt on our ability to meet for the past 2 years, but now, finally now, as we count down to the major Passover conference, we get to be together. I want you to think in your heart and in your mind, how are you going to celebrate for the first time when we meet on Friday, the 15th of April, 2022? I'm going to have a special dance. What about you? Now, as you can see over there on the ground, we've got a 30-ton truck offloading the lawn. We've got major earthworks happening on the ground. Landscaping is being done now. Momentarily, we'll take you outside and you can see the palm trees that have been lined up outside and the walkway that's being created for those that will be coming in on foot. Also inside, next to the overflow tents, we've got a beautiful lawn set up and palm trees again, and the landscaping is being done immaculately. Already you can see that the finishing touches are being done on the paving that's happening right in front of the entranceway to the church. Magnificent work happening on the ground. We thank God and we cannot wait to have you come and see the great work that's happened so far. It's truly going to blow your mind. As we heard from the director a few days ago, this heap of soil here, these are the remnants of almost 2 to 3 meters of topsoil removed from this entire property that was wet, and earthworks were done, new sand was put on the ground, and drainage was put underground to ensure that this land is stabilized.